This is the world's first red to black flake. This is Hangman Super Flake from my buddy Tommy over at Alpha Pigments. Now we've had red to black Hypershift pearls before. You guys have seen that. But a flake, this I have to see to believe. And it's clearly a flake because it just escaped the bag. Let me show you what this looks like. Wow. We've never opened the bags, we've never seen it, we've never sprayed it. Holy mackerel. Look at this. This is Hangman Super Flake, and check that out. It is like a foil almost. Now, Tommy says 10, thank you, grams per gallon. Now, let me show you something. You see this bag right here? This is a 5-gram bag. That is how fluffy this stuff is. Normally, a bag this size, full like it is, would easily be 25-gram bags of pearl. This is 5 grams of this Super Flake. So, 10 grams a gallon is 4 bags of this? Does that sound like a lot?
Sounds like a whole lot.
I mean, Tommy knows his stuff, but holy mackerel. All right, so let's see what happens. 5, oh my God. Okay.
You gotta pour that slow.
Oh my, look at this, guys. Look at this. That's 5 grams. Should I mix the 5 grams first and start there, or just put it all?
We're gonna use it all, you know.
Dude, create just a mountain of flake up there? I can see little sparkles catching our lights over here. It's kind of freaking me out. Okay, so that's 10 grams. Now, we're, as usual, we're gonna cut this with another gallon, so we're gonna end up putting in 20. Dude, this feels so wrong.
Doesn't even look like it's from this world.
Let me stir up the 10. Oh my God. I just saw a little glimmer of what was that? Was that like a gold?
That was like a greenish gold.
Yeah. So now here's the question. If you use like a black to orange Hypershift, or maybe a black to red, we haven't tried it that, and you overload the pigment, you lose that black to red shift and it goes kind of haywire. Do you think we're in danger of that here?
I mean, to a point, but the darks that this thing has is pretty awesome. And it being such a large particle, you're gonna get that black really kind of coming through.
It's huge. Look, just check out the particle size of this stuff, and it sinks so fast. Look at the particle size. See how big that is? Let's see what it looks like over the old stick of truth. Holy bananas. Okay. What am I seeing? Okay, so I'm seeing black, and then I'm coming this way. I'm getting almost like a amber gold glare at the end. I'm so excited to spray this, dude. You have any predictions? You have high hopes on this one?
I got some high hopes.
Well, I want to get it down on a car. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and the end results on this one are wild. It is a huge particle size, so it does give more of that textured flake effect to it. If you like that, this will be right up your alley. If you want more of a smooth effect, then you can go more towards the Hypershift side. But either way, I can't wait to show it to you. We're gonna bring it outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me, 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't, and if you wanna use this pigment, of course, there's a link for it in the description box below. If you want to change the color of your wheels, your emblems, your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Ton of kits, ton of colors. They're all DIY friendly. Gabe and I love this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.